Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I almost missed this train. It's an eastbound CP freight with some heavy wind. That's why it's hard to hear it coming. Here at the Des Sources ramps and Donagani Street at the fence. On the 22nd of April 2023. It's really windy, and unfortunately I am injured from being on a bike accident, so I won't be able to film things off island in Montreal for a long time. For 3 months I won't even be able to go biking, which kind of sucks. And in the summertime, yeah, that's where I really want to bike. Summertime in Montreal is kind of short, so I'm kind of bummed about that. So I came out today simply to just kind of get out the house, have a chance to just not be lying around in a sling, which I have been in. I had x-rays done, I have a broken clavicle, and yeah, five weeks of being pretty infirm. Not fun. But at least I was able to take the bus over here, and I am able to, you know, kind of just stand around and watch trains. Kind of sucks that I can't do any more activities than that right now, but here it is. There's a bus here on Donagani Street. A little windy today to be up on a bridge, otherwise I might have been there. CSX locomotive, wow, that's incredible. Don't see that very often on the end of a CP train. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.